Welcome back, everyone. We are looking at Bitcoin on a daily time frame. As you can see, we are doing mobile TA because I am being mobile today. And we are slowly filling out this bat harmonic that we were looking at from here to here. The bat harmonic says to come to this low of 17.5, so we should be testing this, but we have a little bit of a reprieve bounce coming in. More than likely, I'm looking for a rejection right over here at the $21,500, $21,600 level, and then we will take it back down. One thing I want everyone to keep in mind, the Queen just died. All of Europe will be closed for 10 days. Why is the market pumping? All of a sudden, this much of a pump after the Queen's announcement, and it's Friday today. Be very, very careful. This is the kind of thing that I would advise you to hedge your shorts. If we get to this level and the market closes, expect a test as the weekend comes, and then we can go up from there or continue lower. I am looking for my low. As you can see, we already did not make the top of the chart on my Bitcoin. We rejected off the 100, and now I'm looking for the test of the mid, which is all the way over here at around 12,500. So that is kind of what I'm looking at, is basically lower targets. I have no reason to assume that we're going higher. When I said 12,500, we were at 20,000. 17,500 is the target to the downside of this support. Once we lose that, I would say the next area is about 15,800. Yeah. Low 16,000, 15,800. So keep that area in mind for Bitcoin on a daily. I'm going to quickly go to a 4-hour just because the daily is already breaching above the 21 EMA and we're going to the 55. So this is where we want to hit resistance at the end of the day today, okay? So let's see if the 4-hour has the juice to get us there, and obviously we do. 4 hours got juice. We are testing into the 200 right now. So if we start having opening and closes above 21,000, I think we can definitely get to 22,300 for the next rejection. So let's see. Since this is the first test out of like a long time, this is going to more than likely be a rejection. We'll come back down, find support, and then test back and then break up. So keep in mind, if you want to take a short, now is the time to take a short. This market pumping like this after the market news of the Queen dying is psychotic in my opinion. Also, as we are rising to the top, you can see the volume is declining. Look at this volume declining as we're going to the top. Bearish divergence, aka more than likely we will find a resistance here or here. Start laddering your short for the take profit back at around 20,300-ish, 20,500. Okay? All right. Now let's go to a daily on Ethereum. Daily on Ethereum, we are fighting here. We are fighting our resistance at 17,000, okay? 17,000 is not only this EMA here. I'm circling it, this EMA. It's not only this EMA, but if you look left, that's our fib target. We've had this same Fibonacci pull since June, okay? This was the June breakout right here. We've had this fib target since June going like, hey, we can go to this level, and this level. We've hit that level since June to July. We went into August, and now in September, we've topped out towards the fib target, 4.238, whatever. Also our EMA topped out, okay? And now we're pulling back, and now we're finding resistance on our 2.618, which is around 1465 on ETH. So we're finding support here, and we're fighting around 1700. So between 1700 and 1465, we are making a range. Are we going to make a head and shoulders and find resistance right here and break down if this daily close can't claim it? Or are we going to find support And 1630 is now our new support, and we're going to go to the 1800 mark or 2000 mark for the next level of resistance on the daily. So that's what we're trying to figure out, okay? Let's go to a 4-hour. Looking at the 4-hour, you can see we've been looking for this $1,800 resistance for a while. I've been mentioning this to the members for the last few days. The reason being that if this is an inverse head and shoulder, if you can see, follow this cursor right here, okay? Here's this cursor, inverse head and shoulder. If this is an invert head and shoulder, this is the neckline right here. Right here is the neckline. If we break this neckline like we're doing, the measured move of this neck is the measured move up here, and it's probably going to be around like 1900 to 2000, okay? So get ready for that 1900, 2000 level. Here's our first level of resistance around 1800. Once 1800 breaks, we're going to go fight our Fibonacci resistance right over here at 1830. Once 1830 breaks, I have to do a new pull because this right here is your resistance. So after 1830, you want to see open and closes above 2030. After 2030, you can look for higher, but 2030, once this breaks, I'll pull a new fib for us to track for entries and exits and TPs. Until this range breaks, we're in this range. If we find resistance here at 1700 or 1830, and we find that we can't hold 1460 anymore, we're going to go test around 1250. So I'm ready for every level. Are you? Let's find out. Aside from that, guys, please like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications if you have any questions or concerns. If there's any other assets you would like to cover, leave it in the comment section below and I will get you that altcoin chart ASAP. I just want to once again thank all the members. You know who you are. Thank you, members, for your contribution to this channel. And without you guys, there would be no Cryptopedia. There would be no daily videos. I would not have the time or the concern to chart for third parties as opposed to my own trading. So thank you for making this educational channel a reality. If it wasn't for you, it would not be a possibility. And in the future, I hope everyone appreciates you guys for you guys starting it off. So you 5 special rangers, trading Power Rangers, thank you so much. And aside from that, if you guys have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out. And it's Friday. Be safe, be careful, enjoy your weekend. I will see you back later. Have a great day. Goodbye.